If you're trying to figure out what to sell this summer on Etsy, then this video is going to save you hours of research, because I'm breaking down the top summer niches that are trending right now, plus the exact products that you should be pairing them with. And some of these niches are seriously underrated. And also some of these niches are once in a lifetime. Let's not waste any time and jump right into it. Okay, first up is Summerween. If you didn't see my previous video, you're gonna wanna go back to that one because it dives fully into this niche. And now is the time that you need to jump on it. If you don't know what Summerween is, basically it's Halloween vibes mixed with summer aesthetics. This niche has gotten huge because people are now obsessed with spooky season all year round. The thing that makes this niche amazing for print on demand is that it combines two emotional components: summer fun and Halloween lovers, which means people buy this stuff fast. Now again, in my previous video, I showed a bunch of different design ideas for this niche, but I'll tell you a list here: skeletons at the beach, ghost drinks, spooky flamingos, pumpkins with sunglasses, retro horror summer graphics, hot gal summer, just to name a few. Now we're gonna jump into Printify so that I can show you what the best Summerween products are. The best products for Summerween are t-shirts. My go-to t-shirts are Bella Canvas 3001 and also the Comfort Colors 1717. You're also going to want to consider tank tops because remember, this is for the summer. Printify has plenty of options here. My favorites are the Bella Canvas 8800 and also Next Level 6733. Hats are really big for this niche, especially the snapback trucker cap. Can coolers are such an underrated product that people overlook, especially for the summer niche. This one right here is my go-to. This niche is very aesthetic driven, so vintage distressed graphics and retro colors work extremely well. And here's another tip: I would heavily lean into retro fonts, orange and pink color palettes, vintage beach artwork, and sarcastic sayings, because Summerween buyers love personality products. All right, niche number two. This is huge. America's 250th anniversary. The United States turns 250 in 2026, and patriotic products are already starting to ramp up. This niche always sells really well anyways. Memorial Day, 4th of July, patriotic products. So pairing it with 250th anniversary is going to be huge, and it's once in a lifetime. So this will definitely be huge starting now leading into the summer. Memorial Day, 4th of July, family vacations, parades. And here are some design ideas: vintage, colonial inspired graphics, patriotic, retro USA themes. Think like eagles and flags, historical inspired art. And honestly, for this niche, the most vintage and nostalgic designs do the best here. Now let's jump into Printify again so that I can show you the products that I'm using in this niche. All right, for this niche, patriotic t-shirts, and I'm going with the Comfort Colors 1717. My go-to colors for this specific niche are white, red, and blue jean. Once again, trucker caps are going to do really well for this niche. Personally, for this niche, I will be using red and also navy. Once again, tank tops, especially for 4th of July in the heat of summer. Can coolers are a big hit for barbecue season. Flags are really big for all of these holidays, especially these garden and house banners. The profit margin is really great for these as they are only $7.34 USD. And tote bags. My go-to tote bag is this one right here, and then also the classic tote bag right here. Again, you can get a really great profit margin selling these. Also, this is super important: hats are going to do really well here, especially embroidered hats and distressed caps. And a huge opportunity here is creating designs that don't look overly political. Like I said, you want to keep it like nostalgic and vintage. That broader audience converts way better on Etsy. All right, niche number 3 is Christmas in July. This niche comes back every year, so don't feel like you're wasting your time creating listings because they're going to sell this year and the years to come. So here are some design ideas: Santa at the beach, tropical Christmas graphics, flamingo Christmas trees, surfboards and Santa, retro vacation holiday art. And again, we're gonna jump back into Printify so I can show you the products that I am using for this niche. Graphic t-shirts. For this niche, I'm using the Bella Canvas 3001. And not even just a graphic tee, I want you to also think of pajama shirts. For whatever reason, Christmas paired with pajama shirts does really well, and then also Christmas in July pajama shirts do really well, and I just used the Bella Canvas 3001 for this. Okay, also vacation tote bags do really well for this niche. Beach towels, huge winners. And honestly, tumblers are going to be huge in this niche as well because it's summertime and people love seasonal drinkware. And in my designs, I am using retro vacation aesthetics, bright colors, and just an overall playful look. This niche is less about minimalism and more about fun. People want big, bold, bright, fun graphics for this niche. All right, niche number 4, this is a huge one, the back to school niche. At least for me, this is one of the biggest print on demand opportunities every single year. Most people only think about student shirts, but there's so many different angles to touch on with this niche. You can target teachers, moms, students, school staff, sports teams, college students, kindergarten parents, homeschool families, and personalized products do so well here. Let me show you the top products that I use in the back to school niche. Okay, obviously t-shirts. Honestly, t-shirts for every single niche. Sweatshirts are really big for the back to school niche. My best seller is the Gildan 18,000. Mugs. My go-to is this one here because I love a good profit margin. Once again, tote bags, stickers, and water bottles. Teacher tumblers and mugs are always strong sellers, and then also matching t-shirts are huge. And I know because I used to be a teacher and we would always have matching t-shirts with our team members. You know, there's typically more than one kindergarten teacher and more than one first grade teacher, and they want to wear matching shirts going back to school. You want to think of funny teacher sayings, grade level designs, coquette teacher aesthetics are in right now, and then also retro teacher graphics are just always in. These styles are dominating Etsy right now. Okay, last niche, and honestly one of the biggest aesthetics right now. I think I'm gonna have to do a whole video on this niche alone, but it's the coastal niche. But there are different types of coastal aesthetics that are trending right now. My personal favorite is funny coastal. So this is sarcastic beach sayings, drunk beach humor, crab jokes, sayings like salty or probably at the beach. Coastal grandmother is also trending. This trend is more neutral colors, classy beach vibes, like a linen aesthetic, soft blue tones, Hamptons energy. Then we have retro coastal. This one's really fun. So you want to think of vintage beach postcards, distressed surf graphics, retro sunsets, sea turtles, vacation club aesthetics. Then there's nautical coastal. This style leans into sailboats, anchors, stripes, yacht club vibes, East Coast summer aesthetics. People buy these products because they identify with the vibe of it. So the aesthetic actually matters way more than the artwork. Let me know in the comments, type in coastal if you'd like me to do a whole deep dive search into this niche. I'll make a new video, within the coming weeks because we need to get on this now. So comment coastal so I know to get on that ASAP. So those are some of the best print-on-demand niches that you should be focusing on for summer if you're selling on Etsy. If I were starting right now, I would absolutely prioritize Summerween, coastal aesthetics, and back to school because those niches both have trend momentum and then also repeat buyers. And remember, the niche is important, but the product choice matters just as much. A great design on the wrong product typically won't perform. And if you want to take things a step further, maybe you're struggling to make sales on Etsy, it might just be a few tweaks that you need to make to your shop, which is why I offer Etsy shop reviews. I do a video recording of the things that I see that you are doing right, the things that I see that are hurting your sales, and how you can improve those things, along with a bunch of hidden gems. You can learn more about my Etsy shop reviews with the link in my description below. I hope that this video helped you. I hope that you're excited to get designing for the summer niches. Please give me a like if you've watched all the way to the end. Just subscribe for more Etsy print on demand content, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.